Hello children, welcome you all in today's class. In today's class, we will be seeing the homework answers and we will see few more concepts from the exercise from the chapter Be My Factor, I Will Be Your. From the chapter Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor. Okay, so look here. Amini is arranging 18 tamarind seeds in the form of different rectangles. How many different rectangles can you make? Okay, so look here, it is given totally 18 seeds. Okay, so now we have to arrange this 18 seeds in form of rectangles. Okay, so rectangle has the opposite sides as equal. Okay, so now first find the factors of 18. Okay, so what are the factors of 18? Will 18 come in one table? Yes. 1 18s are 18. Then 2 9s are 18. Then 3 6 are 18. Will it come in 4 table? No. Will it come in 5 table? No. Will it come in 6 table? Yes, but we have already written 6. So that's all. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factors of 18. Okay. So how can you write this actually? You can write this as 1 into 18. Okay. Then 2 into 9 and 3 into 6. Is it clear? If you take 1 into 18, you can have 18 seats one below the other like this in vertical order, or in horizontal order 18 seats like this. So you cannot get a rectangle in this way also and this way also. See, these two are not possible. Okay, so take 2 into 9. Okay, now let me have 2 columns and 9 rows. See, first column I will have 9 seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and in second column also I will have 9 seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is a rectangle. Okay, next I will have 9 rows and 9 columns and 2 rows. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, is that clear? So here also you have 18. So this is also a form of a rectangle. Then for this one you can have 3 columns and 6 rows. Understood? Each row is having 3 seats and there are totally 6 rows. Okay. Then you can have 6 columns and 3 rows. Each column is having 3 seats, or else you can say each row is having 6 seats. Understood? So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 ways of drawing rectangles, of planting the seeds, of arranging the seeds in rectangle. Understood? Look at the next question. We have to find the LCM of 6, 9 and 10. Okay. So you all know how to find LCM now. 6, 9, 10. Okay, you can have 6 and 9 in 3 table, right? So take 3 table. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. But 10 will not come in 3 table. So write 10 as it is. Then again take 3 table. 2 won't come in 3 table. So write 2 as it is. And 3 1s are 3 and 10 will not come in 3 table. Write as it is. Now you can take 2 table. 2 1s are 2 and 1 as it is, and 2 5s are 10. Okay, and now you can take 5. Okay, that's all. So LCM is how much? LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. That is 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18 and 18 5s are 90. Okay, so 19 is your LCM. See, This is 9 and this is 10. So 9 tens are how much? 90, right? Is it clear? Okay. Next, find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. So listen here. 6, 8, 12. All the three numbers will come in 2 table, right? So I will take 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Okay. Again I will take 2 table, but 3 will not come. So write 3 as it is. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Again I will take 2 table. 3 as it is, 1, and this 3 also as it is. Okay. Then you will have 3 ones are 1 and 1. Okay. So what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Okay, understood? So this is how you will find the least common multiple. Kindly check your answers with it. Dear children, you have to complete the multiplication chart which is given on page number 95 also. Okay. So how to do this actually? See, 1 is given here and 1 is given here. So 1 ones are 1. So that one you have to write in this blank. Okay. And next 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. Like this you have to take one row and you have to multiply each and every column with it and you have to write. Okay. So likewise 1 12s are 12. Is it clear? So now look here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12. So in that way you got 2 6 are 12. Okay, so like this you have to complete the whole table which is given here. Okay. We will see C137. Okay. So here write the factors of 25 on circle A. So here you have circle A. Okay. And factors of 35 on circle B. So this is circle B. Write the common factors on common part of both the circles. So the common factor of 25 and 35 we have to write it in this common part. Okay. So let us write factors of 25. Okay. Will it come in 2 table? No. Will it come in 3 table? No. Will it come in 4 table? No. Will it come in 5 table? Yes. Okay. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, no other table it will come. Only 1, 25s are 25 and 5 5s are 25. Okay. So that's all. Okay. And here factors of 35. Okay. It will come in 1 table. 2 no, 3 no, 4 no, 5 yes. 5 7s are 35 and again it will come only in 35 table. Is it clear? So now you will write the common factors in the common part. Okay. So and you can rub it from here. Okay. So now since 1, 5 is common for both 25 and 35, we have written it in the common part. Okay. So 25, 1 and 5 are factors of 25 and 1, 5, 7 and 35 are factors of 35. Is it clear? The next concept is factor tree. Okay. So we have to draw a factor tree for 36 and 50. Okay. So start 36. Okay. And you can write 36 as 4 9s are. Yes or no? Yes. Then you can write 4 as 2 2s are. Okay. And you can write 9 as 3 3s are. Is it clear? Okay. So now we have to do for 50. Okay. Start 50. Next 5 10s are. Okay. Then you can write 10 as 2 5s are. Further you cannot factorize. You cannot split it because 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5. Okay. Here also like that only. Okay. You can even take some other method. Like for 36 you can take 3 12s are also. Okay. Or you can write 2 18s are. Okay, it is your own wish. You can take any two factors and you can start drawing the factor tree. Okay, so that's all. Understand how to draw the factor tree. It is very easy and interesting topic. Okay, so let us meet in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.